Hey everyone, what is up? Jen in the house. How you doing? Come and hang out with me. Sorry, I'm feeling a little off center. So I got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I thought we would talk about it and go over it, okay? Oops, sorry. Yeah, it has all the things in it. So if you want to see what I got in my Plus box with an extra item, then keep on watching. All right, so this is the bag that we got, and whenever you open it up, it says Unstoppable. So I like it, but I definitely liked the Ultimate bag better. I thought it had more character, and it was just cute, and this one is just, it's just okay. So we'll set that over there. We did get 6 items this month because it's an anniversary. Yay, anniversaries. Okay, so the first thing that we got here is the Coffee Scrub Coconut Body Scrub. This retails for $21.99. It has antioxidants, grapeseed oil, almond oil, vitamin E. It's going to help you feel smooth and not stripped. Dampen your skin in the shower. Scrub it over your body in circular motions. Let it sit and then rinse away. It looks like this was made in Los Angeles. And it has coffee bean, grapeseed oil, mentha aquatica, olive oil, almond oil, glycerin, water, macadamia nut oil, vitamin E, cinnamon cassia essential oil, and coconut extract. So if you don't like all the coconut things, then you may not have all the feels for this. So this doesn't excite me or add to the value of the box for me. So I'm not real excited about it. But let's move on. The next thing is By the Balm. This is the Balm Cosmetics Auto Balm Picture Perfect, I'm guessing. Shadows on the Go. This is just weird to me. This retails for $26.50. I would never pay that for this. I just want to put that out there. It looks like you can lift it out of here. I don't know why you would want to do that, but like, yeah, okay. Let's see if I can do it. So it looks like you can lift it out of here and use the tin for like a mirror or something else later. Objects may be more beautiful than they appear. Wow. Okay, the balm. I see you out here. So this is a primer. It's a neutral primer. You have 2 matte colors here, like transitions or outer corners. And then these 5 are shimmers. This ain't my cup of tea. I did stick my finger in the primer, so I can't really sell it. I'll just keep it for referencing or swatches or something. I do like the color Broadway and Rodeo. I think those are pretty cool. And then this is like a green color, and it looks brown, but it's like a green color. So it's very off-putting. I feel like the colors don't go together in here. So this is $26.50. Yeah, you can pop it out, keep it, put your hair ties and bobby pins in it or whatever. It's like a tin. It's weird. I'm not a fan. I'm not a real fan of the Balm Cosmetics, so that just doesn't excite me. The next thing is Malin and Gotez. Oh, I'm so uncomfortable. I just got a new bra. I'm breaking it in. I washed it, now I'm breaking it in. So this is a revitalizing eye gel. And it looks like it retails for $42. It's for anti-aging. And it helps soften lines, depuff bags, soothe irritation, and brighten up dark circles. Stash this gel in the fridge, and it will give a cooling effect that helps depuff. So it's just clear, and the consistency is not heavy. It's kind of like the consistency of the Belief Aqua Bomb cream that they do for like a moisturizer for your face. So it feels really good. It's lightweight. It's not really heavy. So I think I'll really like this. Again, another eye cream. I'm so excited. These are so expensive. And when you get them in, boxes, subscription boxes, then you don't have to pay all that money for them. So that does retail for $42. It's kind of crazy. I've never heard of that brand. So something new. The next one I have heard of, this is the Seraphine Botanicals. We just got a face palette from them not too long ago. And this is an eyeliner. This is supposed to be waterproof. And it's liquid. This retails for $18. Let's see. It's a micro tip. It's jet black, fade proof, water resistant formula, and stays on your lids for hours. So I am going to go ahead and open this up. I like to get liners that I can actually use or that are like equivalent to my Kat Von D liquid liners, because then I have to purchase less often. But those are my favorite. The black and the Mad Max brown, like truly, like there's no other eyeliner liquid wise that's better for hooded eyes than that one. So I really like it. Oh, that's not a micro tip. These bitches are tripping. This is not a micro tip. This is a felt tip, not a brush tip, so it's nothing like the Kat Von D, but it is black. So we'll let that sit and see if it dries down matte or if it dries down like a shimmery looking color. Looks to be drying down matte, not like the Because I'm Black one by Fenty. So I might like this. My thing is like being able to get in. Oh, sorry. Being able to get into like the lashes, you know what I mean, and get really, really close and it not bleed into my grandma lines because I have hooded eyes. So we'll see about this one. We'll save the box on that. Okay, that does retail for $18 if I forgot to say that. The next thing was my pick. I was so excited to have Complex Culture again. So this is the Complex Culture Precision Concealer. This gets in the under eyes. It's a little bit dirty. It is a triangle, much like their foundation one. And I love that because it gets in really, really good into these corners and around the edges. So I'm excited about this. I love all these brushes that I've tried. This retails for $26. So this is a hell of a deal. This pays for my entire box and I've had this in my basket to buy. So for me, between this and this is kind of paying for itself. So let's move on to the last item that we got in the box. I kind of ripped the bottom of it up, but this is the Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil. This retails for $24. It says it's a tinted oil with superfoods, antioxidants to help. It's a sheer pink tint and it's an oil. I've been loving lip oils, especially the Dior one. It feels so good on the lips. And it's not as tinted as this one. But that's not bad. You know what? I just used the Fenty Gloss Bomb. And then the original one, I can't feel the glitter. But just now when I put that on over that, I can feel the glitter in it. I don't like that. I do like this though. It smells really fresh. That's really weird. Oh God, that smells good. That's going to be a fan favorite for me. That's really, really good. Okay, so it's got coconut oil, vitamin E oil, rice bran oil, avocado seed oil, carrot seed oil, chia seed oil, black sesame seed oil, and flaxseed oil. Yes. Love that. Okay, so I got one add-on for the Plus box. And I got another eyeshadow brush, but I think I'm going to save this one for you guys for a giveaway. I've got quite a few things in a giveaway right now. This is the Precision Eyelid Brush. So this would definitely be for packing on the color onto your eyelids. These brushes are phenomenal. This brush right here retails between $20 and $25. So we'll put it back in the package and not touch the bristles to me. And I'm excited. I have this one and I really, really like it. I love all the Complex Culture brushes that I have so far. I want to get the rest of them. I want to have a complete set. So that was a nice add-on. And I think that was like a $5 add-on. I think they have them for $3, $5, $12, and something else. So I don't remember which one that was, but it was. So it dries down matte, but it looks a little like it's got a little bit of a sheen to it. Does that make sense? So it's not completely matte, but it's not as shimmery as like the Fenty one. And that came off with a makeup wipe pretty easy. So fade proof, budge proof, waterproof. I don't know. All right, so let's add it up. Okay, choose a product on the 25th, but the app says choose on the 24th. So pay attention to your app if you're getting Ipsy. So let's see, 45 And what? 45, 85, 90, 110, 140, 150, 160, $165 for $25 is what this box was worth. And if you look at 42, 18, and 26, the box paid for itself with these items. It's a new brand and then a brand that I've tried, but I haven't tried this product before, so I'm excited about that. Plus we got to get another complex culture brush, and these are phenomenal, so I'm excited. I think this box was way better than the Ultimate, way better than the boxyluxe, and definitely way better than the Boxy Premium. So that's it. I'm unstoppable. So do good, be good, you are good. If you were the first person to comment on my last video, you will now be featured here. Thank you so much for being subscribed, continuing to watch. I hope that everybody is doing good during this COVID-19, having to stay home, work from work, work from home and do all these things. I hope that you're staying healthy and washing hands, protecting the kiddos and all that fun stuff. So do good, be good, you are good. If you want to be featured in the next video, make sure to comment first on this video. And without further ado, I'm going to get out of here. Do good, be good, you are good. I'm gardening. I'm working on gardening. We're going to have a huge garden, so we're going to be able to eat if we can never get out again. You know what I mean? All right, I'm going to see you later. Bye.